like that.
Huh?
Start the video that way.
What, mirror on the wall? Who's the sexiest mirror of them all?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're back at SSP. I'm gonna show you guys how to put the mirror back on the car. Well, I'm assuming you guys broke one or something and are trying to replace it. We had to get the door painted, so I took it off earlier. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. I'll walk you guys through it and I'll take it off. Pretty simple. This wire has got to come through this hole. Well, when you guys get the door panel off, you'll see what I'm talking about. I've got the video on the door panel if you guys want to watch it, on how to remove it, and how to put it back together. But for this guy, you need to come in through here. Through here. Okay, it should hold like that until I get one tenon over here. Let's see. There's one through this hole and one over there. Let's see. And I'm going to take a little bit of this black goop and put it on my bolt head, because this going on here, going through this hole, I don't want to drop it. And yeah, there's one more right here. All right. That's pretty much how to install the mirror. Going back off the same way. You got the two bolts here. They're number 10s, and one here. You can get an extension so you're out here with your tool. It's a lot easier. If you drop them down here, it's fine. Just 4 screws. Remove this guy out of the way. They're going to be sitting right underneath the bottom of the door. If they drop, take this off, pull them out, or else you're going to hear a tick, 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 tick noise in your door panel the whole time. Then this guy slides through. One of my guys ripped this panel. They're just a pain in the ass to come off. There's sound barriers. And then this guy plug in like that. And that's how you remove and reinstall a side view mirror. A few steps involved, taking the door panel off to get to that, but it's very simple. Watch the videos, subscribe to our channel, and do it yourself at home. Thanks, guys. Okay.